my dear friends. So today is 20th of July 2025, and just a little bit before we harvested all these lemons from two of our lemon trees, and also we harvested these chilies from two of our chili plant. These are the chilies which one can eat like vegetable, not hot at all, and these are the chilies which are hot. So these are the hot and these are the vegetable chili. And lemon, you can see we are here, at least there is 10 kg of lemon. So we harvested this lemon just a little bit before, and when life gives you lemon, make lemonade out of it. And we are having two varieties. Today we are having two varieties of lemon in this basket. One is this variety which you can see, which are very circular. They are the juicy lemon. Once you cut open, juice just oozes out of this. And this lemon that you can see, this is the lemon for fragrance. In West Bengal, Orissa and Bihar, it is even in Tripura and in Assam, they are called Gandharaj lebu. And once you cut open, the fragrance oozes. There's not much juice in it, but the fragrance. And this is something people from east of India, as I named the state, they just love it. Especially when you have rice with dal and with this lemon, the fragrance is just amazing. Plus, you can cook a lot of things with lemon. And also, my own personal favorite, one of my personal favorite is lemon cake. In the lemon cake, you squeeze loads of this lemon juice, and with this one, what you do is you just grate the skin lightly, and then the grated light skin comes, not the white inside, the lighter grate of the outside, which is full of fragrance. Then you put it in the cake baked batter, and the taste is amazing of the lemon cake. And so as there are many Bengali delicacies also where people put lemon. A lot of fish, chicken, Gandharaj mach in vegetables, but the basic which everyone loves is rice, hot dal, and this lemon slices. You just squeeze it, have that burst of flavor and enjoying it. And so now we are going to share these lemons with family and friends, which we do every year. There's still load of lemon. These are the ones we harvested. And another thing I would like to share in another video also, we are going to share this lemon trees. The thorns of this tree is very thick. It's very difficult actually to get the lemon from this plant. And today actually I picked some, and after that my other friends and family, they started picking because I couldn't manage. Whereas this thing, the thorns of this lemon tree is rather fine, so it is easy. So I plucked from this, but only a few from this, rest my family and friends, they plucked. So yes, I shared some produce from our garden today with all of you, and trust me, even if it is little also, the chilies or whatever, the best happiness comes when you share it with your family and friends. Plus, they are fully organic. So these tastes, these flavors, you will not get anywhere. And here you see my pet and puppy, my far baby Zulu. What he is doing, he got some jharu stick, and now he is biting that jharu stick and playing with it. So this is our life. And yes, and my Zig Babu, this far baby, he got tired because we all were harvesting lemon today. So yes, my dear friends, wishing you a very happy time, many times. Stay blessed. God bless. Thank you all.